Hi, I'm Belinda from Drift Massage. I'm here with Ursula from Hypnosis-Joondalup. And next week we're offering our sessions on hypnosis to reduce stress and anxiety. And Ursula's going to tell you the benefits.
So what hypnosis really does is helping you make those changes much faster. So all the stuff is here between your ears. So everything that makes you anxious or stressed is your thoughts, your subconscious programs that work. The fastest way to change them is with hypnotherapy. So those 3 evenings are going to help you to get your balance back, to calm down and refocus the way you want to see your life really.
Excellent. So basically it's a way of having calm in the chaos and be able to deal with the stresses in life in a different way, changing those triggers. Look forward to seeing you there, and
yes, see you soon.
See you soon.
Looking forward to see you then. Bye-bye.